big. That hurt. God damn.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know what happened.
Adam just hit the wall there too.
No way. Both of our trucks are in the fucking wall.
He's still driving, but you hit the wall joint or something went the wall after. This wheel's dropped, eh?
Yeah, something. I just lost the steering. God damn.
Okay.
Yeah, I just lost the steering. I don't know what happened.
Is it in neutral?
No.
Okay.
What the fuck happened? Wow, that sucks.
Back hurt or
No, I'm good.
back?
I'm good. My neck, but I hit the side. I'm good. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm good. I'll get out.
You blew up, I think. There's oil everywhere. Isn't it neutral?
Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck happened?
Well, I seen the smoke as well. Looks like it's on that side there.
Oh, our power steering line blew.
look at there.
Oh my god, the power steering line blew and that took the whole fucking thing out.
See the fitting?
Wow.
It's pulled right out. Maybe that's why Adam hit the wall there. Maybe it's slick there.
It is. I blew my line. Like, that's supposed to be attached. The power line blew.
But maybe when you blew the oil, maybe he slipped into the wall there.
Fuck.
He must have.
Yeah.
Yeah, he rode the wall pretty good there.
Oh, I fucking nailed it.